Hello everyone, welcome to Live Mathematics. This is Alok Kumar Sinha and today we will solve the problem based on algebraic identity 2. This is very much similar to algebraic identity 1. The only changes in this identity is here we put minus 1 in place of 1. So algebraic identity 2 is a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So now we are going to solve the problem one by one. So have a look. Question number 1, x minus 7 square equal to x square a this is in the form of a minus b whole square. In place of a we see it is x and in place of b we see it is 7. So x square plus 7 square minus 2 into product of first number into second number. First number means a and second number means b. Now solve it. X square plus 7 square, it is 49 minus 2 7s are 14x. So this is required answer. Similarly, question number 2, 5a minus 4b whole square. So in place of a we see that it is 5a and in place of b we see that 4b. So apply the formula a minus b whole square equal to a square. A square means 5a square plus b square. B square means 4b square. What is written in place of b? Write the whole number. b की जगह 4b लिखा हुआ है तो हम लोग 4b पूरा लिखेंगे. 4b स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू ए 5a इंटू b. b की जगह 4b है तो 4b लिखेंगे. नाउ सोल्व इट. 5 स्क्वायर 25a स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर. 4 स्क्वायर मीन्स 16b स्क्वायर. राइट डाउन b स्क्वायर माइनस multiply the constant term first. 2 5 are 10, 10 4 are 40 and a into b, that is ab. Similar is the question number 3. In place of a we see that 7 by 4x and in place of b we see that 2 by 3y. So 7 by 4 x square plus 2y by 3 whole square b square. B square means what is given in place of b? Write down whole things. 2y by 3 whole square minus 2 into a. A means 7x by 4. 7x by 4 into b. B means 2y by 3. 2y by 3. Now multiply the whole number. Solve the whole number. 7 by 4 square means 7 square 49 by 4 square 16 x square plus 4 by 3 square 9 y square minus 2 to the 4. Convert in a standard form. If you can cancel the number you may 2 to the 4 and 2 1 the 2. So we have left with 7 by 3 x and y. X and y. So this is the required answer. Similar is the case of question number 4. 8mn minus 3pq square. In place of a we see that it is 8mn and in place of b we see that 3pq. So put the value of a and b in this identity. A minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square means 8mn. 8mn square plus b square. B square means 3pq square. 3pq square. It is very much similar to worksheet 1. The only change is minus in last term. Minus 2 into a. A means 8mn into b. B means 3pq. 3pq. Now solve this. 8 square 64 m square n square plus 3 square means 9 p square q square p square and q square write separately minus 8 2 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48, and M N P Q. Write down the product of M N P Q as it is. So this is the required answer. Question number 5. In place of A, we see that 0.1x, 0.1x whole square plus 0.5y whole square minus 2 into first number 0.1, 0.1x into second number 0.5, 0.5y. Now solve it. 1 square 1, and put the point after 2 digit, because point 1 is point after the point there is only 1 digit, and if we square then we put the point after 2 digit counting from right side. So it is 0.01 x square. Similarly 5 square 25, so it is 0.25 y square minus 2 1 is 2 and into 5, 5 2 is 10. Put the point after 1 digit here and 1 digit here, so we total after 2 digit. So it is 0.10 xy. X and y, product of x and y is xy. So this is required answer. And last, a square minus b square whole square. So first term is a square plus square plus b square minus 2 into a. In place of a we have a square, so write down a square, into, in place of b we have b square, so write down b square. Put the value of a and b. A square is square, a to the power 4, we multiply the power, we have already studied in power, exponent and power, plus b square, b to the power 4 minus 2a square b square. So this is the problem based on identity second, a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now we are going to solve question number 2. So question number 2 is, we have to find the value of 48 square by using identity 2, means a minus b whole square. So see how it happened. 48 we can write 48 as 50 minus 2 whole square. 50 minus 2, it is 48 and square, 48 square. So we converted into a minus b whole square. In place of a it is 50 and in place of b it is 2. So expand the following by using identity 2. A square 50 square plus b square 2a square minus 2 into a means 50 and b means 2. Now solve this. 50 square, 5 square 25 and 0 square means 00. 2 square it is 4 minus 2 to the 4, 4 5 is 20, 200. Now 25 minus 200, 23, 2300 and plus 4. So 2304. This is the required answer. Similarly, question number 2, 9.9. We can write it 9 plus 0.9 whole square. Sorry. It is 9.9. We can write it as 10 minus 0.1 whole square. If we subtract 10.0, 10.0 and 0.1, we get 9 minus 1. 10 minus 1, it is 9 and 9.9. So we can write 10 minus 0.1 square. Now solve this. 10 square plus 0.1 square minus 2 into a into b. Write a in place of a it is 10 and in place of b it is 0.1. So 10 square means 100 plus 1 square 1 and put the point after 2 digit 0.01 minus 2 10 are 20, 21 are 20 and we place the point after 1 digit 2.0. So it is 100 plus 0.01 minus 2. 100 minus 2, 98, 98.01, 98.01. 299. This is very simple. 300 minus 1. 300. If we subtract 1 from 300, we get 299. 300 minus 1 square. 300 square plus 1 square minus 2 into 300 into 1. So 300 means 9. 3 square means 9 and double 0 means write 4 times 0 after 9 plus 1 square 1 minus 3 to the 600. So it is 90,000 minus 600 and plus 1. So first subtract 600, we get 0, 0, 10 minus 6, it is 4, and here we get 9, and here we get 8, and after plus 1 write down and add these 89401. So this is the required answer, 89401. Now 98 square, very simple. 100 minus 2 square means 100 square plus 2 square minus 2 into 100 into 2. 100 square, put 40 after 1. This is 100 square. डबल 0 का स्क्वायर 4 0 हो जाएगा प्लस 2 स्क्वायर, 2 स्क्वायर मीन्स 4 माइनस 2 to the 400. Now subtract 400 from 10,000 and add 4. 0, 0, 6, 9, 9,600 and plus 4. First we subtract 400 from 10,000 and after that we write down 4 and then add 9604. This is the required answer. And last fifth number 87. 87 means 100 minus 13 square. 100 square means 100 square plus 13 square minus 2 into 100 into 13. 100 square 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Write 4 0 after 1 plus 13 square 169 minus 13 to 26. 2600. Now subtract first 2600 from 10,000 and then add 169. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 10 minus 6, 4, and here it is 9, 9 minus 2, 7, 7,400 plus 169 and add these two number 9, 6, 5, 7, 7,569. Now question number 6, 19.9, we can write it as 20 minus 0.1 whole square. So 20 square plus 0.1 square minus 2 into 20 into 0.1. 20 square plus 0.1 square minus 2 into first number and second number. In place of A it is 20 and in place of B it is 0.1. So 20 square means 400. 0.1 square means 0.01 minus 20 to the 40 means 4.0. Put the point after one digit. So it is 400.01 में हम लोग को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है 4.0. So 400.01 minus 4.0. So it is 396.01. So these questions we can solve on the on using identity a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.